Let's see if she can back it in without me guiding her. She's wearing my hat. She likes wearing that hat. I think I might lose my other one upstairs to her. Good job. Good job. Now correct it. There you go. Now don't overcorrect it. Go back. Go back the other way. Let's see if she can get it. There she goes. She was too close to that side. Good job. Look at that. Praise the Lord. Right there. Let's see what she does. Good job, baby.
Thank you.
Tractor driving woman. That's for sure. Remember to like and subscribe to see more of that crazy kid of mine.